I was working this morning, so I've just come back literally not very long ago. I was working 8 till 12. I start work again at 5, so I think I'm just going to rewear the same outfit. Is it weird if I go back in a different outfit? I don't know if that's weird or not. I hope not. I might do that. And I thought I would bring you guys along. It's probably not that interesting, but I thought, why not? My mum and I are in Decathlon. We're in Decathlon and we found this chair and it's so small and I'm sat in it. Let me show you. It's so tiny. I won't say anything, I'm just gonna sit in it. That's so funny. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. Hey guys, I'm vlogging now. Oh, I can't turn it around. Yeah. Me and Milena are in McDonald's and we got the, what is it? The apple pie mini McFlurry and we're going to do a taste test. I need to open it up. Hang on. It looks kind of gross. Wait, let me get some sauce. It looks like peas. Cheers. Oh, wait. Cheers. Ooh. It's sour. It's sour apple. It tastes like those apple sours. Yeah. I like it. I would give it, what out of 10? I'd give it like a 5. There's better ones, get the Oreo or something instead. I'll give it 6.5. It's alright, I'm gonna finish it, obviously. I'll pay for it. I'm gonna get my chips in it. Oh yeah, roast dippy chip. It's sour. You get like a good amount of syrup. Look at that. They don't rate it. They don't rate it.
Untie it. Just like eat it.
been flying the drone. It's been really nice. It's been so peaceful. It hit about 22, 21 today, so really nice weather. We got really lucky. I didn't get burnt either, I don't think. I don't think so. It's been really good. We came out with 4 of us, me, my boyfriend, and then one of his flatmates and his girlfriend. So it's just been really chilled, really nice. We are on a night out. I'm not drinking anything, but Ollie is, and it's pub golf, so he is going to be drinking for us, and he's going to be very unwell tonight. It shouldn't be too much of a late one. We're in quite a big group. There's about 18 of us, so it's chaos.